welcome to D3 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving to be or not to be. It says write a function expect. It should take a value and return another object with the following two functions to be, which accepts another value and returns true if two values equal each other. If they are not, it throws an error not equal. Second, not to be. It also accepts a value and returns true if two values not equal each other. If they are equal, it should throw an error equal. For example, we call the function expect by passing 5 and then call to be by passing 5. So it returns true. And if we call expect passing 5 and to be passing null, we get an error not equals. So let's start. We need to return an object. So return. The first function is to be. It takes a val. Let's call it test val. Now if test val equals val. Keep in mind we have to use 3 equals, not 2 equals, because 2 equals won't test for the type, and string of 5 will be equal to number of 5, and that's not what we want. So use triple equals. If it equals, return true, else throw which is not equal. That's it. And another not to be. It also takes test val and it just performs opposite comparison to the previous one. If test val is not, return true, else throw. That's it. Let's submit it and it works. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such content. See ya.